Hello, scientists. We are here today back in the early 1900s, where it was so strange to see a plane in flight in the sky. That's because planes, that was a new technology back in the early 1900s. And there's a pilot that I'm dressed up as today named Amelia Earhart, who was famous for flying solo across the Atlantic Ocean. Now, she was the first female to do this, and the first female to do lots of different records with planes. She was an inspiration to many. Unfortunately, she took her last flight around the world trying to set a record in 1937, and her plane went missing. Unfortunately, her plane was never found, and today it still remains one of the most biggest mysteries of all time. Now, right before she went down, her last words were, "We are running on the north and the south." And that is our inspiration for our science today. We are going to be making a plane where you have paper that runs on the north and the south of a straw. We are going to be using the force of lift and thrust to fly our airplane. Thrust is the forward movement. We also are going to be using aerodynamics. The aerodynamics determines the distance of how far the plane will travel. However, it is important that your plane is light in weight so it will defy gravity and fly far. Now it's time to test it. Ready? Whoa, it went so far. Now, as all true scientists will do, they will continue to try to make improvements on whatever they're building. Today, when you're engineering your plane, I want you to try different lengths and widths of paper on your plane. Now, you do have a couple straws in your bag. You're going to need scissors and tape to do this. And I want you to see if the thinner the strip or the shorter the strip makes it fly further or shorter distance. Is there a difference? I don't know. We're going to go ahead and end with one of Amelia's most famous quotes, which is, "There is more to life than being a passenger." Thanks for being on board with us today. We'll see you next time.